Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update depreciation schedules with Koinly for CPA, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update depreciation schedules with Koinly, first, log into your Koinly account. Navigate to the tax section on the dashboard. Select reports from the drop-down menu. Choose depreciation schedules from the options provided. Now, click on Create New Schedule to initiate a new depreciation entry. Input the necessary details for the asset, including the asset name. Next, select the purchase date of the asset. Enter the asset's cost in the designated field. Choose the appropriate depreciation method from the available options. Specify the useful life of the asset in years. Once all details are filled in, click Save to store the information. To update existing schedules, return to the Depreciation Schedules section. Locate the schedule you wish to update from the list. Click on Edit next to the relevant schedule. Make the necessary adjustments to the asset information or depreciation method. After making your changes, ensure to click Update to save the modifications. Review the updated depreciation schedule to confirm accuracy. For additional assets, repeat the process as needed. Finalize your report by exporting it or printing it for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.